So in the question we have the upper and lower fixed points of a faulty thermometer. So the upper fixed point is 210 degree Fahrenheit and lower fixed point is 34 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a faulty thermometer. And the correct temperature read by the thermometer is, we need to find the correct temperature. We know for any thermometer reading minus, this is in Fahrenheit. So correct reading minus lower fixed point by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point is equal to, as this is in terms of Fahrenheit, we'll write F minus 32 by 180. So both their readings will be same. So we can take the reading as X minus lower fixed point is 34 by upper fixed point is 210 minus lower fixed point is 34 is equal to X minus 32 by 180. So X minus 34 by 176. 210 minus 34 is equal to 176 is equal to X minus 32 by 180. So first we'll divide it by 2. 2 8 16. Again 1 carry out. 2 88s, 2 90s, 2 44s, 2 45s. Now we'll cross multiply. So 45 into X minus 34 is equal to 44 into X minus 32. So 45x is equal to, 45x minus 45 into 34 is 1530. It is equal to 44x minus 44 into 32 is 1408. So we'll get all the x terms this side and constant this side. So 45x minus plus 44, if it comes this side, it becomes minus 44. 44x is equal to plus 1530 minus 1408. So 45x minus 44x is x, that is nothing but 1x. So 1530 minus 1408 is 122. So this is in Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit. So the option is D.